Instagram Reels hack you need to know. You can highlight a keyword or phrase on your Reels to stop your audience to scroll and engage them for longer and increase your watch time. Let's get right into the video. So after creating and uploading your Reels clips, tap on the text tool and add your text. Choose any color you want and then double tap on the word you want to highlight. Choose your highlight color and that's how you add the highlighted text on your Reels. And this hack applies to stories too. Let me show you how it's done. Share a picture or video in your story and add your text. Choose any color and then double tap on the word you want to highlight. Choose your highlight color and that's it. This is a great way to make your Reels and stories more interactive and get more views. And did you know if someone taps the reel through your story and view it, it'll be counted as another reel view? It does count and it increases your reach. Be sure to share your Reels whenever you post them. I want you to watch the video on the screen right now to learn 2 creative ways to share Reels to your stories and boost your Reels views. Tap it now to see it. See you in the next video.